Hi guys, today we will talk about some interesting fact about New Jersey, the United States of America. You live in the great state, but what do you know? What about it? You know the capital, you know the state nickname, but do you know many fun fact about New Jersey? Get ready to show off your knowledge about New Jersey when you learn some new fun facts. So let's start now. New Jersey is a very beautiful city. New Jersey has the highest density population any state in the USA. 90% of all people who live in New Jersey live in what is considered an urban area. More cars are stolen in the city of New York than any other city in the United States. New Jersey has a state seashell. It is the nobbed valve and known to be the used in the Italian dish spaghetti. Being rarely, New Jersey is home to volcano. Will it no longer active? It is a popular state site for real estate development. If you have played the name Monopolo, you are familiar with the name of real street in Atlantic City. The first ever baseball game was played in Hoboken in September 1, 1921. The very first Miss America pageant was held on the boardwalk in Atlantic City. New Jersey is a home to more dinner than any other state. Atlantic City is home to the world's longest boardwalk. Capman, New Jersey is the oldest seaside report in the United States of America. During the Revolutionary War, more battles were fought in New Jersey than any other state. New Jersey does not have any official state song. Well, many people think it. I'm from New Jersey. This was never made the official state song of the state. Well, New Jersey does not have a state song. It does not have a side fish, the broke throat. Thomas Edison had his lab in Mellon Park, New Jersey. The very first submarine ride took place in the Pacific River. New Jersey has the tallest water tower in the world. It is located in the Union, New Jersey. In 1968, Princeton played Buttigieg in the very first intercollegiate football game. New Jersey State bug is the honeybee. Camden, New Jersey was the site of the very first drive-in movie theater. The state flower is the violet. New Jersey has very first state to sign the Bill of Rights. Cheerleading was started in Princeton in 1869. Square dancing is the state dance. New Jersey has a spoon museum containing over 5,400 spoons. It can be found at Lambert Castle. The Handrosser is the official dinosaurus of New Jersey. Purple has been named Tree City USA for 24 years in a row. New Jersey has 21 countries. All counties in New Jersey are classified as a metropolitan area. The state motto is liberty and responsibility. Which of these facts did you know about New Jersey? Do you have any little know or a fun fact about New Jersey? Share the next time you head out to trivia. New Jersey is a northeast USA state with some 130 miles of Atlantic coast. Jersey City across the Hudson River from Lower Mantra is the Montana state. Mahant is the site of Liberty State Park, where Freeze embarked for nearby Island with its historic immigration museum and the icon Statue of Liberty. The Jersey Shore include notable report town like History, Ashbury Park and Cap May with its Pressway vacation building. And the New Jersey is a state in mid-Atlantic and northern region of the United States. Is bordered on the north and east by the state of New York. On the region, New Jersey is a state in the midnight and by the state of New York on east, southeast, and south by the Atlantic Ocean, on the west by the Delaware River and Pennsylvania, and one of the short west by Delaware Bay and the state of Delaware. New Jersey is the fourth smallest state by area, but the 11th most populous as of 2012 as of 2020, and area of 8,722 square mile, making it the most density population of the fifth USA state. The capital is Trenton, will the largest city Newark, all but one of country is New Jersey, wherein country lie within the combined statistical areas of New York, city of Pennsylvania, and Philadelphia. The state's largest metropolitan area fall within Greater New York. New Jersey was first inhabited by Native Americans for the at least 3,000 years, when the Lennox being the dominant group of the time. European arrived the early 7th century. Dutch and Swedish colonies formed the first European settlement in the state. The English later seized control of the region, name it Province of New Jersey after the largest of the Channel Island. George annexating it as a colony to Sir George Curtis and John Bridges. New Jersey was the site of several important battles during the American Revolutionary War in the 19th centuries. Centuries of factories, the big six cities of Camden, Paterson, New Kent, Toronto, located in the North Mason rivers, its space growth and more things. As of 2020, New Jersey was home the highest number of millionaires per capita of all US states, with 9.76% of household, more than 323,000 of 3.3 millions statewide, meeting the criteria based on 2070 data. It was the second well-done US state by median household income. New Jersey public school system consistently ranked at the among the top among all 50 USA states. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.